Now, Office of the Auditor General has expressed concern of the government's inability to manage records of Kenya's public debt. The office has highlighted poor maintenance of the public debt register and unexplained variances between various records. Auditor General Nancy Gathungu says there is a need for formulation and implementation of a debt management strategy to deal with the public debt crisis in the country. According to the Office of the Auditor General, Kenya's public debt has increased to 7.6 trillion shillings as of 30th June 2021. This is an increase of 4.2 trillion shillings, representing 125% jump over a period of 6 years. The debt comprises of 3.99 billion shillings external debt and 3.6 billion shillings domestic debt. The expenditure on public debt has also increased over the 6-year period from 421.45 billion shillings to 867.3 billion shillings this financial year. In a report released today on the current debt status, the Office of the Auditor General says the growth in public debt has been attributed to disbursements of new loans to the government by various development partners and additional borrowings from the domestic market through treasury bonds and bills to bankroll yawning budget deficits. Auditor General Nancy Gathungu has expressed concerns over the government's ability to manage debt, citing malabsorption of allocations, poor maintenance of the public debt records, and unexplained variances between various records. The report indicates that for the year ended 30th June 2020, there is an unexplained variance of 2 billion shillings between the internal loans, short-term borrowing balance of 887.1 billion shillings reflected in the summary statement of public debt and the recomputed closing balance of 885.1 billion shillings. Gathungu says the over-redemption of 2 billion shillings was not acknowledged by the Central Bank of Kenya and may therefore not be recoverable. There was also a non-disclosure of public debt procured during the 2019-2020 financial year. The Office of the Auditor General further says they are in the process of undertaking a comprehensive performance audit on public debt servicing activities and determination of borrowing needs activities. The unclaimed